What's up, everyone? This is your homegirl Kari, and today we're going to be doing another Halloween session. We're going to be doing Catwoman today, and it's super easy, so follow me so you can know how to do this. So first, I'm going to go in with this tape from e.l.f. These are real easy, and if you want something very precise, you can use these. Going in with the Perception palette from Colourpop, I'm going to be going in with Culture, and we're going to put this all over the crease. Next, we're going in with Revenge, and with this we're going to put it in the middle of our crease to create kind of like a smoky eye effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm not going to do something very precise. I just want to give my eyelid a little bit more space since my eyes are hooded. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this jumbo pencil from Nudestix, and this is going to be our eyeliner. If it comes out crooked like mine, do not worry, because we're going to go in with a super small blending brush, and we're going to blend that eyeliner out. And just so you know, guys, I am not naked. I was already wearing the shirt that I was going to wear for the picture, so yeah. Next, I'm going back in with Culture, and with another small brush, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of smoke out the eyeliner a little bit more. And then I'm going in with Stallion, and with this, I'm just this is a flat liner brush, and I'm just going to make the eyeliner a little bit darker. Then going back with Culture, I'm going to put this under my eyelid on the bottom lashes, and I'm going to blow this out a little bit. And then I'm going in with Play It Out, and I'm going to do this a little bit closer to the lash line, and then back again with Stallion with that same flat liner brush, and just to put it really close to the lash line. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to go in with this eyeliner just to make my eyes a little bit bigger. I don't want to do black because then my eyes will look really small. And as you can see, now it looks really precise. And then we're going in with the lashes. I put them off camera. And for the mask, I did do an outline first just so I can know where to put my mask, and I didn't want something uneven. So with this eyeliner from e.l.f., I'm going to go ahead and outline. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild paint pot, and I'm going to fill it all in. And then lastly, for the mask, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this white eyeliner from NYX, and I'm going to go ahead and start doing all the stitches, and they don't have to be perfect. That's the good thing, so just do your best. I go in with Unbother from the palette just to give it a little bit of highlight in the forehead and some of my cheeks and on my nose as well. And then lastly, to complete the look, it wouldn't be completed if I don't wear a red lipstick. So I'm going in with this lip liner, then I go in with a satin lip, and lastly I go in with a plump gloss. And that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!